Hey everyone. Hey, since I've been taking classes at Tyndale Bible Seminary, have great professors there, and in the study of the scriptures, you come to know the scriptures better in the aspect that it causes one to have to slow down. We all have done the ones where you read through the Bible in a year, but what if reading through the Bible in a lifetime, where you understand what God is telling you? It's good to read through the Bible in a year. I'm not putting that down. No, not at all. Read through the Bible. Just read through it over and over, back and forth. But we have a whole lifetime to read through the Bible. And what if we took the Bible and took a chapter, took a book, a verse at a time, and we slowed it down to the aspect of understanding what we read? One aspect of taking Hebrew or Greek is it causes you to slow down with what you're doing. And you have to look at each word, or you look at each verse one at a time, not just reading through it like a newspaper. It brings understanding. And at this time in our class, we're taking the book of Jonah. And this is some of the things that I have done. I don't know if you can see it there, where I've taken the time to just go through each word, writing down each word from the original of what each word means in the Hebrew, since I'm taking Hebrew right now. One great resource is the Language Dictionary, and it's a great resource. Another resource is the Interlinear Bible, where you have the words right there. You have the English, you have the Hebrew with the definitions under it, and the Strong's Concordance number on top, where you can look up the word in the Strong's Concordance. Another great resource that I do recommend highly is, let me get it for you, is right here. You cannot be without this. It comes in several volumes. This is volume 4. Volume 4 is Isaiah through Malachi. And what this is, when you open it up, you see that they have already listed each word, what each word means. If it's a noun, if it's a verb, if it's an adjective. Great resource to have. And take your time in studying the scriptures. Take your time in hearing what God has to say to you as you study the scriptures. Read through it, yes. Why God, read through it, the whole Bible in a year, but why not take your time and understand what you're reading by taking a book and slowing it down, where you just read a chapter, you meditate on a verse or a couple verses, you meditate upon a chapter, and you understand what you're reading. And if you, maybe one day, maybe the next one, will, like, this looks very hard, like, oh, that looks so very hard to do. It really isn't. The only reason why it looks hard because you're unfamiliar with the alphabet. Like any language, you have to know the alphabet. And when you know the alphabet, everything becomes easier. Like when we learned our American language, we had to learn the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. In Greek, you learn alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, and you learn the alphabet. In Hebrew, it's aleph, bet, gamil. You learn the alphabet. When you get the alphabet, you form the words, and when you form the words, you form sentences, and it begins to come together. It's not hard. It's just unfamiliar to you. But as you look at it, it becomes familiar, and you begin to understand. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please text me back or message me back. I'd love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.